Yo, listen up. Here's 100 dope facts about excavators that'll blow your mind. The first excavator popped up in 1835, man. Old school genius named William Otis dropped that bomb. Excavators, they go by many names. Diggers, mechanical shovels, or just 360-degree badass machines. Excavator comes from some Latin vibe, meaning to dig out. It's the real deal, man. You got all sizes, from mini dudes to massive monsters, weighing more than a ton. Massive, yo. Construction, mining, forestry, demolition, these bad boys do it all. Wainwright Corporation dropped the first hydraulic excavator in '51. The game was forever changed, yo. Excavators roll with hydraulics for precision moves. It's like they got the science of digging down to an art. The house, man, it's the part that spins 360. These machines can dance, literally. The arms got multiple segments. Flex game strong, reaching places others can't. Bucket at the end is the moneymaker, scooping up earth like it's nothing. Excavators got attachments, like grapples and thumbs. It's like pimping your ride for different jobs. Trenching, foundation work, grading. They're like the A-list actors of construction. From wheels to tracks, these machines roll like kings on different terrains. Mini excavators, like the pocket-sized edition. Perfect for tight spots, yo. Hydraulics, GPS. These excavators are like tech wizards on a job site. Safety's no joke. Backup cameras, sensors, emergency stops. It's like they got eyes everywhere. Some excavators can be remote controlled, like you're operating from a distance. It's wild. Diesel engines, man. High torque, fuel efficiency. They're like the muscle cars of construction. The arms got cool names. Boom, dipper, stick. It's like they're part of a rock band. Construction, mining, forestry. These machines hustle in different industries. Quick couplers, for changing attachments fast. Efficiency level 100. In archaeology, they use excavators to uncover ancient stuff, like real-life Indiana Jones vibes. Excavators did their thing in building the Panama Canal. Historical badasses. Excavators ain't just for building. They clear land in the forestry game too. Disaster response heroes, clearing debris, saving lives. Excavators to the rescue. Extreme temperatures? No problem. Excavators work in all conditions. Yo, folks, that's a wrap on this excavator knowledge drop. If you dug it, hit that like button and subscribe for more mind-blowing facts. Remember, stay cool, stay curious, and keep watching. Catch you on the flip side, yo.